Do you remember Alex? He wants to study abroad, but he still hasn't decided where exactly. At the educational exhibition, he met some terrific people from Lublin, Poland. Alex decided he would like to go to Lublin to study. He chose KUL, but now he needs to learn about the possible majors, the place and the offer. Alex purposely goes to his country's capital, where another educational exhibition takes place. He finds Lublin, and with no hesitation, he asks about his dream university. This time, there is a KUL student present at the exhibition. They discuss the majors and the process of applying in English. The girl even tells Alex what kind of documents he needs to prepare to make sure that the whole procedure is going to be hassle-free. He learns that he can count on the help of the admissions office anytime. He can call them and they will provide any support he needs. Time flies, and before he knows it, Alex needs to make up his mind. He is afraid that he will feel lonely among the people. Are there any other foreigners there? Alex needs to check this out. Oh my word, there are so many things going on. Conferences, meetings, guests, live TV during the open days, and so many foreigners there. Alex does not hesitate anymore. The only thing he needs to do now is choose his major and try to apply. He chooses his major on the candidat.kul.pl website, and he takes all the steps that he needs to get admitted to KUL. He dreams that in a couple of months, he will be able to say Dzień dobry, and when you genuinely want something, it must come true at the end. Visit KUL's website and check out your possibilities. The project is financed by the Polish National Agency for Academic Exchange.